Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Dodge Challenger steering wheel. First, always prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. Wait at least 10 minutes for any residual power to dissipate before touching anything else. Make sure your steering wheel is perfectly centered and locked in place. Gather your tools, including a good Torx bit set and a 21mm socket, to ensure a smooth process. Safety first, always. Next, we'll tackle the airbag module. Locate the two small access holes on the sides of the steering wheel. Insert a small flathead screwdriver into each hole, pushing inward to release the retaining clips. Once the clips are disengaged, gently pull the airbag forward. Carefully disconnect the electrical connectors behind it. Remember to handle the airbag with extreme care as it contains sensitive components. Now let's remove the main steering wheel nut. You'll need a 21mm socket for this. Loosen the nut, but do not remove it completely just yet. With the nut still partially on, gently wiggle the steering wheel back and forth. This helps to free it from the splines on the steering shaft. Once it feels loose, you can fully remove the nut and then the steering wheel. Before completely removing the wheel, it's a good idea to mark its position relative to the steering shaft. This ensures proper alignment during reinstallation. Store the airbag safely, face up, in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. Reinstallation is essentially the reverse of these steps. Always double-check all connections and ensure everything is secure before driving your vehicle again. Safety is paramount.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.